Iba yun.
Wala mo muna sa...
The most awaited part of the program is eating. The most awaited part. Itong pila, self-service tayo.
Sir, girl, sound na lang habang FaceTime naman yan eh.
Hi! Nakain na kami!
The most awaited part of the program is eating.
Yes!
Ilaw ko na yung mga...
Oh, okay. Habang kumakain tayo, kakanta muna si Miss Will Rose. Bibigyan tayo ng magandang kanta para mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong habang kumakain.